Well, it looks like Whistlin Diesel already got to this one, guys. So this is probably the worst rot that I've ever seen on a Toyota. Check this out. Look at how many places this thing came apart in. It literally came in here today for service, and this is what we got going on here. So I don't want to show you the guy's tag or anything like that, but holy hell, man, I've seen some rotted frames on Toyotas, but well, that muffler, holy hell, I've never seen anything like this before. This is just unreal. Check that out. So this does not need to be dropped off of oh well, that leveling spacer looks good though. Wow, this thing is unreal.